Welcome to another edition of Mathematics Made Easy, and today we'll be looking at proportion. And when we talk about proportion deals with comparison of quantity which decrease or increase in relation to the other. For an example now, if we say that 1 unit of biscuit costs 100 naira, how much will 2 units cost? That means that the price is going to increase. The higher the price, the higher the quantity. Alright? Then we have two types of proportion. We have the direct proportion and the inverse proportion. Now, let's look at the direct proportion. Now, for example, we said a worker gets 9,000 for 10 hours of work. Let's find the amount the worker gets for 3 hours and 10 hours. Firstly, a worker that works and gets 9,000 naira for 10 hours. We have to get how much was she paid for an hour. Let's calculate for an hour. An hour equal to, that is 9,000 divided by the number of hours, that is 10. 0 cancel 0. So that means she got 900 naira for 1 hour. Now, to solve 3 hours, so therefore, number A, 3 hours, that equals to, she got 900 per hour. That means that 900 multiplied by 3 is going to give us 2,700. B, how much does she get for 10 hours? That is 10 hours equal to 900. That is the amount for 1 hour. Multiplied by 10 will give us back what? Our 9,000. This is a direct proportion. Before we can solve it, we have to get an hour first, then later we multiply it by the numbers that we are given. Good. Now let's go to the inverse proportion. The inverse proportion. This one is as a result that one quality increase, the other decrease. The higher the workforce, the lower the time that is done with the work. Now we have 7 workers dig a piece of ground in 10 days. 7 workers dig a bit of ground in 10 days. How long will 5 workers take? Number one, we have to take note of this. 7 workers equal to the work for what? 10 days. Now, it now say 5 workers equal to unknown. You have to know that the more the worker, the lesser the days. 7 work for 10 days. Now, 5 now. That means that the number of days of work is going to increase. To get this, you have to find how many days can a person do the job by himself. So for a person, for one person, that's equal to 7 multiplied by 10. 7 multiplied by 10 is going to give us what? 70. That means that one person can do the work for 70 days. Good. Now for 5 workers now. 5 workers. That equals to 70 divided by 5 to get the number of days. Now how many times is this going here? 5 will go in 7, 1. 5 will go in 24 times. That means that 5 workers will work for 14 days. You know, I told you earlier that the more the worker, the lesser the day. 7 workers work for 10 days. 5 workers are going to work for 14 days. That is inverse proportion. The higher the worker, the lesser the days. The higher the days, the lesser the worker. So that's that about inverse proportion. Do well to like, to share our video. Thank you.